Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got my next 2 days of sales on Poshmark. I sold a ton of things, so let's see how much I made. All right, everybody, let's get to what we have sold these last 2 days on Poshmark. All right, so the first item we sold was a velvet floral dress. As you can see there, it sold for $16. My Poshmark fee was $3.20. I offered a shipping discount of $1.80 and my earnings were $11. And then I actually paid $2 for this, so my earnings were $9 total on this particular item. And if you want to see a closer look, there we go. That's what it looks like. Velvet floral dress by Ava and Viv. Very, very cute. Then the next thing we sold is a gladiator style pair of sandals. It sold for $12. My Poshmark fee was $2.90. Woo. Squeaky voice there, $2.95, and then my shipping discount that I offered was $1.80. I actually bought those out of a liquidation box for $2. $7.25 is what I earned, so $5.25 is my earnings on that one. I'm writing everything down so that I can make sure that I keep a good running tally so I can give you the correct tally at the end of this video. So that's what those look like there. Then the next item I have sold is a new without tags Gilligan and O'Malley camisole. I sold it for $8. Poshmark fee $2.95. My shipping discount for $1.80. My earnings were $3.25. I only paid $1 for it, so $2.25 is what it cost, or what I actually earned out of pocket after all my fees. And there's my pictures that I took of my item. Then the next item that sold is a new without tags INC women's long sleeve blouse. This was an awesome sale. Sold for $28. Poshmark fee $5.60. Shipping discount was $1.80. My earnings were $20.60. I actually paid $2 for this, so $18.60 is what I actually earned. And it was a very, very cute top. And unfortunately, it didn't have the tags. It might have sold for more, but I definitely think that I had a good sale on that particular item. Then I sold lace lingerie that I got overseas, and so I paid about $2 for it. As you can see there, my earnings were $2.25, so I'm only made 25 cents, but I've got quite a few for sale, and so that's what that item looks like there. Then the next item I sold is Academics men's slip-on loafer shoes. Sold for $13. My earnings were $10.05. I paid $4 for it, so $6.05 for these really, really nice pair of shoes. And I was able to find a really nice stock photo for this particular one. Then I sold an unlined lace bra, nighttime blue. I earned $3.05 on this particular one. I paid $1 out of a liquidation box, so $2.05 were my earnings on this one. Then I sold, you've seen me sell a ton of these, and so I actually paid $7 for them, so $13.60 minus my $7 would be 13 minus 7 is, sorry, I can't see the math in my head. Anyway, let's take a closer look at what these look like. So I'm having a hard time thinking right now, so $6.67, 13 minus 7. Good grief, my brain doesn't work some days. So I have sold a bunch of those, but I made $6.67 on that one. And so then we'll jump to the next one. This is a pair of kids shoes. Sold them for $5, earned $2. I actually spent about $2 on them, and so 5 cents is my total profit on those. But these were ones that came with a palette of other shoes like those men's academic shoes that you saw that I sold for a really good price. And so sometimes with them comes the inexpensive ones that you have to sell as well, just to recoup some of your money. So here is a Tropical Escape bathing suit. This actually came out of a liquidation box. $4.25 is what I earned on this. As you can see, it sold for $9, and then $4.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $3.25 is my profit on this bathing suit. Then I've got a pair of men's ankle boots. This was an awesome sale, as you can see right here. $25 is what it sold for. Poshmark fee of $5. $20 is what I earned. I paid $4 out of a liquidation, so I'm at $16 total for my purchase there. Pictures, pictures, and more pictures. Pictures is a good way to sell your item. And so these are some of the pictures that I took that definitely gives a great description of what these men's Harrison Styles ankle boots look like. Then I've got a really awesome pair of Norma cylinder heeled booty, a new day. $12.60 is what I earned. $4 is what I paid, so $8.60 is what my earnings are, and I was able to find a really nice stock photo, but the stock photo is a little bit of a brighter photo than what my actual shoe is, so I made sure to actually take a picture myself. These are the backdrops that you've been seeing me use that I mounted the other day for my picture taking, but as you can see, the actual shoe is a little bit of a darker color, and I wanted also to picture that it comes with the box, so that those a new day Norma cylinder heel. And if you look at this picture, the heel is actually round, not the typical kind of square shape that you used to see. All right, then we sold a pair of pre-owned Christopher Bank size 16 stretch jeans. $4.05 is what I earned on those, and they came right out of my closet. And so $4.05 is what I actually get to keep, and they were in very good condition. Try to take as many pictures you can, especially of the tags, and that helps. Then we sold, of course, another pair of these women's Chelsea rain boots for $11 this time. As you can see here, $6.25 is what I earned. So I actually lost 75 cents on that simply because I paid way too much money for these women's Chelsea rain boots. And so I've sold a lot of them. I'm only down to, I think, 2 or 3 pair. I might have sold out by now, but I'm not for sure. So not too many left. Then I sold these Girls Anora Sock metallic sneakers. I actually made $11.05 on those. $4 is what I paid, so I'm at $7.05 for profit on these really cute metallic shoes. So here's the stock photo, another stock photo, another stock photo, and then I actually took a picture myself with the actual shoes and the box that it comes with. All right, here's another sale. Women's Forever Young perforated Espadrille flats, $17.60 minus my $4 that I paid, which would put me at, let me see, 17 minus 4 is $13.60. Thank you for enduring my math skills while we're doing this. And here is a really nice picture. It looks exactly like the shoe that I have, and so I just stuck with just leaving the stock photo for that one. Then I've got a pair of women's tall rain boots, Smith & Hawken blue, $11. I paid $4 for it, so $7 is my profit. And as you can see, they're really, really nice boots, and they were in brand new condition, and they even had the same interior as in the stock photos. So that's why I only chose to use the stock photos, because if I try to take a picture of this rubber boot, it would totally fall over and not be a very good picture at all. All right, then I sold a new day black double-breasted blazer. There is absolutely no way that I could have gotten such a good picture as the stock photo. So I earned $16 on it, as you can see, paid $2 for it. So I'm at $14 of profit on this one. And let me show you the difference. As you can see, here's the stock photo that kind of shows what it looks like. And then, yeah, there's good pictures, but just not, it doesn't do it justice. This picture will not do it justice like as it does in the stock photo. Even though the stock photo is a little bit blurry, it definitely shows what it's supposed to look like in comparison to your own ones. But using a mannequin is always a good idea. Then we've got a pair of Sociology women's riding boots. $10.05 is what I earned. $4 is what I paid, so I'm at $6.05 for these really cute cognac brown Macy riding boots. And I do have more of these for sale, so check those out. Then I have a Namaste Santa Christmas sweater, so that's kind of a fun play on words. I earned $12. This came out of a liquidation box for 2, so my actual profit is $10, and I just thought this shirt was hysterical, absolutely hysterical, and it was a fun sale. Then I sold a women's maternity dress, $4.25. $2.25 is what I ultimately get to keep since I paid $2 for it. But if you look, the stock photo definitely helps with the sale of this dress because you wouldn't be able to tell it's a maternity dress just from the photos alone. I mean, obviously the title would, but this definitely helps using the stock photo. So anytime you can find the stock photo, that's always a good idea. Then I sold this, Denim USA Bling Rhinestone Cap. I paid $4 for those. $8.05 is what I earned. So $4.05 are my profits for this. And I actually created this stock photo myself. As you can see, it has my Hooked on Pickin logo. And so that definitely helps to sell it. But it's exactly like the ones I sell. And I do have more of those for sale if you're interested. Then, of course, another women's Chelsea Rain boot. $13.60 is what I earned on this one. And so I 13.60 minus the 4 is $9.60 a profit. Or sorry, minus the 7, 13.60 minus the 7, which would put me at $6.60. I almost gave myself too much money. 13 minus 7 is 6. Yes, okay, thank you. All right, then I sold another one, $10.05 minus the 7, $3.05 again for this boot, as you can see. All right, then I sold a bundle. So I've got a pair of Umbro ladies athletic pants here. And you can see from the pictures what they are. They're kind of a sweatpants. And then I have Urban Fit leggings that look just like this, Champion brand. And with both of those, I spent $1 a piece on those, and so $16.80 is what I earned. So $14.80 on this bundle. I love selling bundles simply because I make so much cashola. This was my huge sale of this 2 days of sales. I did really good on a lot of items on this, but this was my biggie. So it was a pair of Isotoner Smart Touch women's gloves, and I have a few other pairs that are really, really cute, a red pair and some other things. And so check those out. $40 was the price, and they bought it outright, no haggling. $32 is what I earned, and they actually came out of a liquidation box for $2. So I made $30 on a pair of Smart Touch women's Isotoner gloves. These actually were a pair that I had considered keeping myself because they were really cute and very soft and comfortable. But it gives you an idea of how much you can make if you start buying higher end stuff. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to go ahead and add up all of my sales on Poshmark and then let you know what the grand total is off of everything. And so we'll come back with the total. All right, so we did really, really, really good. So 26 total sales. And remember, I had negative on one of those ones, which makes me sad because had I not gone negative on that one sale, I would have hit $200 in 2 days of sales on Poshmark. And that's total profit after fees, after my cost of purchase. So $199.77 is what everything came up to. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold on Poshmark these 2 days of sales. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.